everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to video this again because I did it just a minute ago. Nothing would focus. I played with my camera and managed to get it to focus a bit more. I had no idea what this box was, but it's the August Turtle Journal subscription and butterflies, and we have some ideas on here as usual. Oops. So, and we have a little, and this is what's in this month. So a sticky note pad, butterfly sticker set, lots of butterfly sticker sets. I'll put that there. So this is the little sticky note pad. So they're little sticky pads, and they're quite cute, aren't they? Look at that. And then we had some ribbon. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I'm glad I'm filming this again because on the last one this just didn't show up at all. Look at that. How pretty is that? And it's nice and weighty. So that's pretty ribbon to have. Then we had some little yellow butterflies. So we had a couple in this design. A couple in this design. You'll have to excuse my fingernails. I've been gardening. It actually stopped raining today for 5 minutes, and don't know why I've got pieces of plastic in there. It's a bit weird. And I won't put that in there because I put that. Those ones I've showed you. Those ones. And then we have this cute little one here. And this cute little one. They're nice, pretty colours. Then we had some of these. Now these were lovely. Look at that. And even when you turn them over, so there was one of those. Then there was this one. And they're kind of bluey on the back. Not as pretty as that. And then this one. And then this was the free gift. I like these type of stickers because when you stick them down you haven't got that white around the outside. And it's having a bit of difficulty getting these out of the packet. I would say these are the vellum ones. We have a couple of those. And then these ones And this one. That's the same as that one. And then a couple like this. And this one with a love heart on it. It's nice. My packaging over here. And lastly, we have some of these. Some bunches of flowers. They're the same as those. And these have a couple of butterflies in them too, like this. Oops. Let's stick on the side of there. And that. So I think I have enough butterflies now to last me for years. I'll just take all these out. So that was what was in this month's box. And the theme was butterflies. So we'll have some fun later on making something up for using all these. I have to see what I've got in my stash so that I can make something nice. So thank you for joining me, guys, and until next time, please take care of yourself, the people you love, and your family. Bye for now. Take care.